Hello friends, welcome to ABNV tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to solve this module 3 test, okay, in Python certification. Okay, let's start. So this is the code of honor. So accept it. So 20 marks, okay, 30 minutes and 70% we have to score in module 3 test. Let's start. So what is the output of the following snippet? Okay, go here. So what is the output of the following snippet? List is given. So list 2 is empty. So for V in my list 1, list 2 insert 0 at first position, we are inserting the element. Okay. So every time we are inserting the element at the first position. Okay. So if you take 1, okay. So 1 will be the first position and second my list also 1. Second also will be listed at 1, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3 here. So in first position, 1 will be inserted. Again, first position, 2 will be inserted. Again, first position, 3 will be inserted, right? Okay, so 3, 2, 1 is the answer. The value eventually assigned to x is equal to, so x equal to 1 and x equal to 1. Okay, so this is if you take x, so this part if you take this is x equal to x means this is true. So x equal to true, right? So first it will evaluate the boolean. So x equal to conditional it will evaluate first. So x equal to x means this will be evaluated as true. So x equal to true. Okay. What is the output of the following snippet? Okay. So it is coming from the back end. Okay. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. See, minus 3 means the last minus, this is 4 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, right? So minus 3 means this 2, second element 2, okay? From 2 to minus 2 means backwards, right? So backwards means 1, 2, okay? So it will be 2 only because there are no elements left side, right? So it will be 2, 1. So minus 3, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So 2 from 2 it starts and goes in the negative direction. Okay. Instead of going right side, it will go left. So 2 to minus 2. Okay. So left side. So it will become 2, 1. Okay. So what is the output of the following snippet? So list is given 1, 2, 3. So V in the range length of my list. Length is 3, right? So V in the range 3 means 0, 1, 2. Okay. So 3 elements. Insert at the second position my list of V. Okay. So in the my list, we are inserting the elements of the my list again at the second position. Okay. So 0, 1, 2. At the second position, we are setting the elements one by one. Okay. So if you take 1, 2, 3 at the second position, we are inserting again 1 and again 2, again 3, right? So 1, 3, 3. Okay, 1, 3, 3, right? So list is okay, 1, 2, 3. Let me take my Zoom IT. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay, so the length of my list is 3, right? So range 3 means 0, 1, 2. 3 times it will operate. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay, at the first position we are inserting the elements. First position means this one, right? This one. So inserting the elements of 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you insert 1, what happens? 1, 1, 2, 3. At the first position, again we are inserting means what happens? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So again we are inserting first position 3 means 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So where is this 1, 3, 2? No, it's not there. Okay, so first position we are inserting. Okay, the insert the sorry, one is second position, right? Second position is this one only. Second position, this one only. So second position we are inserting one. And what is the second position? This one. So again we are inserting two and are inserting three. Okay, here little bit catch is there. Okay, let us try again. So one, two, three. Okay, my list dot insert at the second position. One means second position. Second position means here only. Okay, so we are inserting one there, and again second position means here only two there. And second position three on 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3 should be there, but it's not there. That's why I'm wondering. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1. Second position we are inserted one here. Again list becomes this one. And second position again we inserting 2. So list becomes here 2. Second position again we are inserting 3. So here it should be like this. 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 should be at the, I guess this is the one, first one. Okay, let's see here, this one. After execution of the following snippet, the sum of all values elements will be equal to. after execution of the following snippet, sum of all values elements will be equal to. Okay. So first is inserting at a first position 1. So it will be 1, 1, 2, right? And the values 1 is deleting. So 1, 1, 2, 1 is deleted. Okay, 1, 2. So it will be 3. How many elements does the list contain? Okay, how many elements? Okay, so I for I in the range -1. Next one is 0, 1, 2. So minus here it will be -1, 0, 1. Okay, so three elements, right? I for I in the range -1, 0, 1. So it will be three elements. What is the output of the following snippet? Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3 for I in the range 2. Okay, so this is the list for I in the range 2. So 0, 1, 2 times it has to operate. Okay, so 2 times it will come. Okay, 2 times it will come, right? So it will be like this, guys. So this will be 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, okay, comma, 0, 1, right? So again it will come here like this, 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is asking? 2, 0, okay? So my list 2 is not there because my list, this is 0, my list 1. There will be no 2, okay? So index out of bound error you will get, okay? So answer will be 3, this one, cause runtime error. How many hashes will following snippet send to the console? Okay, where will equal to 0 less than 6, where will equal to variable plus 1. Okay, variable equal to 0, variable is increasing. Okay, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times, right? It will be 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, and if var equal to percentage to 0, continue. Okay, continue means it won't var equal to 2, it will go to the next one. Okay, okay, var equal to 2, continue. Continue means it won't print hash for even numbers. So even numbers is what, guys? Here, so here val will be this 5 or var here. Okay, for even numbers it won't print. For 2 and 4 it won't print. Okay, and 1, 3, 5 it will print. Okay, 1, 3, 5 it will print. So 3 times it will print. Okay, so 3 is the answer here. Okay, 3 is the answer. Okay, so what is the output of the following snippet? 3 minus I for I in the range 3 for j in the range 3. Okay, 3 minus I is equal to 0. Okay, I in the range 3 is equal to s plus t of I. Print yes. So sum is taking 0 and sum is doing this one. So 3 minus I in the range 3. Okay, so what happens to the first one, the two-dimensional array? So what happens to T here? 3 minus 5 in the range 3. So I equal to 0, 1, 2, right? 0, 1, 2. So 3 minus 1, sorry, 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 means 3 to 1 is the first one. Okay. For j in the range 3 means 0, 1, 2. Okay. Again, like this. 0, 1, 2 means 3 times it should come. Okay. So 3 to 1, 3 to 1, and 3 to 1. Right. Okay. So for I in the range T of I. So for I in the range 0, 1, 2, right? For if I equal to 0, T of 0, 0. T of 0, 0 means 3. Okay. For I1, T of 1, 1. 1, 1 means 2. So 3 plus 2. Okay. Here 2. 2 means T of 2, 2 means 2, 2. So 1. Okay. This is 6. 6 is the answer. So my list, print my list of minus 1. Okay, my list of minus 1, how much guys here? Minus 2. My list of minus 2 means 1. What is the output of the following snippet? 1, 0, C equal to A and B. A and B means I will get C equal to here, I will get 0. Okay, A or B, I will get 1 here. A cap B means exclusive or means I'll get 1 here. Okay. So C plus D plus E equal to 2. What will be the, what value will be assigned to the X variable? Okay. Let us try this. So Z10 Y equal to 0. Y less than Z true. Okay. This is true. Okay. And, and, okay. Let me take and. Okay. Let me take and. Okay. True. Z greater than Y. What is Z greater than Y? That is also true. Okay, this is also true. Or Y greater than Z. Y greater than Z is false. Okay, and Z greater less than Y. Less than Y is false. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the equation. So true and true will be true. True or false will be true. True and false will be false. Right? Okay. So like that we can guess this. Okay. If you go from left to right, we'll see now. True and true will be true. True or false will be true. True and false will be false. Okay. If you go from right to left, false and false will be false. Okay. True or false will be true. True and true will be true. It will come. But we'll go from left to right, we'll go. So it will become false. Right? So this is false. How many hashes will be following snippets sent to the console? Okay, so var equal to 1, 1 is less than 10, print hash Okay, var equal to var left shift 1. Okay, so left shift means we'll gain the variables, right? We'll gain the digits. We'll gain the digits. Okay, so var equal to var left shift 1. So we'll gain the digits here. Var equal to 1. Okay, so here var equal to less than 10. So 1 is less than 10. So one time it will print. Next var equal to var left shift by 1. So we'll get one digit right side, right? So var equal to 1 here. Var equal to 1 means like 0001. We'll left shift 1. So we'll get the one digit extra here. Okay, we'll get the gain the digits in left shift. So it will become 2. Okay, right? Var is become 2. Okay, var is become 2. So it will again print hash. So 2 times hash is printed. 2 times it is printed. So var equal to 2. Again var is shifted left by 1. One more digit. So var will become 4 now. So less than 10. Okay. Var will become 8 now next. So one more thing here and left shift 1 here 16. So it will come out of the loop. So 4 times it will print. Okay guys. So 4 times it will print like this. Take a look at the snippet and choose the true statement. Select two answers. Nums. So here only names are equal, not the memory location content. So delete values 1, 2 from 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 less than 1 means only one element is deleted. Okay, so that is 2 is deleted here. This 2 is deleted. Okay, so nums and values refer to the same list. Okay, that is correct. That is always correct because it's a memory location content. Okay, nums is replaced and assigned to vals. Nums and vals are of the same length. Nums is longer than vals, same length because whatever operations we are doing, it is doing in the memory location because we only names are assigned here. Memory location content is not changing. Okay, so these two are correct. An operator able to check whether two values are equal is coded as this one. How many hashes will the following snippet send to the console? So I in the range 1. 1 means 1. Okay. I equal to range 1 means from 0 to less than 1 means 0. 0 to 0 means only 1. Okay. For I in the range means only 1. Else print this one. Else means after executing this for loop, it will come to else, right? So in for loop, it will print once. Again, after coming to else, it will print one more. So it will print 2. The second assignment, okay. So shortens the list, reverses the list, does not change the list, extend the list. So it will reverse the list. Which of the following sentences are true? Select two answers. Nums content. So -1 to -2. Okay. So string it is the list slicing. Okay. So -1 means 3. Okay. From 3 to -1. Okay. So 3 to 2 steps backward, right? So -1 -2 means here it will start from 3 to -1 -2. Okay. So vals is longer than nums. Nums is longer than vals. Nums are of the same length. Nums has two different lists. Okay. So -1 -2. Okay. It will start from the last element here 3. 3 minus. So it starts from 3. So 3 -1 is 3. -1 to -2. -2 means only one element. Less than 1 is -1 only. So values will be only 3, right? 3 guys. Only element 3. Okay. That means nums and values are two different lists. Okay. Nums is longer than vals. Okay. How many star will falling snippets send to the console? I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 3, I equal to I plus 2, print star. I 0 less than or equal to 3, so I become 2. So star 1 is printed. So 2 less than or equal to 3. 2 less than or equal to 3. Okay, first, first it will be 0 I. Next I equal to 2. Okay, so these two times it will print here, it will print here. Okay, again I less than 3, so I equal to 2. Okay, so 2 less than or equal to 3, I equal to I plus 2 means I equal to 4 here. Okay, even though it will print here again it will go up, and I less than or equal to 4 it will fail, so it will come out. Okay, so 3 times it will print. How many star will following snippets send to the console? Okay, so I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I equal to I plus 1. So if it is the even number, then break. Okay, break out of the while loop. Okay, so I equal to 0, I equal to I1, I plus 1, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5. If the even number, then break. If even it's not even number, then it will print. Side slash 2. So for 0, it will print. Okay. Sorry, for 0, it will come out right here. If it is see, the first instance itself, here I equal to I plus 1. Okay. I equal to 1, the first instance. So it is odd number, so it will print. I equal to 1, it will print here. Okay. Then 1 less than 5, so I will become 2. So it is even number, break. So only one time it will print. Let us submit and check the answers, guys. So I got 16, 4 I lost. Okay. So let us review the answers and see. I passed the test, but it's not the good performance. I tried, but I lost some of the things. Let us review the test. Okay. So this is correct. Okay. Next. This is correct. Okay. So this is 2 is the correct. Okay. Right. We'll go to the wrong one side and we'll see. Okay. And this one is incorrect. So this I confused here little bit. Okay. So let us come back to this again. Let us go to the next one. This is incorrect. Okay. Some of the values here values is 0, 1, 2. So we are inserting at the 0, 1, right? So it will become 1, 1, 2. Okay. Again we are removing vowels of 1. So we are removing this vowels of 1 means this we are removing. So 1 comma 2 will be there. So sum of this will be 3, right? Following the sum of all vowels elements will be equal to 3 I put, but it is saying wrong. Where I gone wrong here? Okay, okay, I have to insert it. I replaced it. That is the mistake I have done. So I have to insert it, right? So initially it is 0, 1, 2. So I have to insert it the 0, first position 1. So 1, 0, 1, 2. Then this is removed. Then answer will be 1 plus 1 plus 2 means 4. So this is the answer. So I got it now. Okay, guys, go to the next one. This is correct. Okay, this is correct. Runtime error. I told right index out of bound error. And this is 3. This is also correct. Okay, this is correct. This I done very nicely. It's a two-dimensional array. And this is correct. This is very pretty easy. This is correct. This is also easy. So this I got it wrong. So while doing itself, I mistaken how to do it. So it cannot be false. Okay. So here, if you take y less than z is true. Y less than z is true. Here again and z greater than y true and or y greater than z false and z less than y false. Okay, I think we have to go by like this, I guess. Okay, true and true will be true, false and false will be false, and true or false will be true. Here it will become true. I think this is the answer. Okay, we will go to the next one. This is correct. Okay, so yeah, left shift I have done very nicely. So we have to understand what is the left shift and how many bits it will increase and all. We have to understand and do it. This is also correct. Okay. So nums and values refer to the same list because in the memory location, nums and values the same length because only names are assigned here. Okay, this is correct and this is correct. So else also after executing for loop it will go to else. That's why it is true. Okay, it is reverse the list, right? And this is nums longer than walls because walls I got only one, right? Only three element. So nums is greater than walls and these are different lengths. So this I lost it guys. This is a simple one but I missed it. Let us try it again. How many stars? So if you take here I equal to 0 less than 3, I equal to I plus 2. Okay, so I equal to 2. So it is printing here. Okay, so 2 less than 3. So I become 4. It will print here. Okay, so 4 is less than 3 false. So it will come out only 2 times it will print. So this is the answer. Okay, I missed it and this is correct. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhyami Tutorials for more such Python certification videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.